Can I see you do it?
Huh?
Can you do it?
I'm doing that. Just in Letran, in our elementary school, we have a normal monkey bar like that. Then a swing.
You go there.
I think only that swing and the monkey bar. Monkey bar, I always do the monkey bar. Like, you know what's the worst I did in monkey bar? Like, I walk on the top
Oh,
like that.
did you fall down?
I don't remember falling down.
But you just remember walking on top.
Then, worst thing I did in the swing is standing up. You know,
Yeah, I did
then
that
jump
before.
to the farthest. Yeah, we jump on the farthest.
Let me see you do the monkey bar.
I don't know now, I'm too heavy. But I can try. What's that noise like this is still that's
Leg?
legs. He's strong here because he playing the book.
Yeah.
He's strong here, right?
Yeah.
Feel the noise so strong in the hand. This one is weak for the hand.
I don't know where my... What is that?
Oh, yun eh, galing eh. Yada! Nice!
What's the opposite of weakness?
Weakness, strong. Strong.
Hindi ba nakukuha na niya yung ano? Kasi sa swing ganun din eh.